Imagine your car's brain suddenly forgetting the permanent instructions it needs to run your engine. That is essentially what is happening when you see a P0605 code. This code stands for Internal Control Module Read-Only Memory Error. It sounds super technical and a bit scary, but stick with me, and we will figure out what it means for your vehicle. The PCM, or Powertrain Control Module, is the computer that runs everything from your fuel injectors to your ignition timing. It has different types of memory, just like your home computer. Read-only memory, or ROM, is the part of the memory that stores the permanent software and instructions that do not change. When the computer runs a self-check and finds that the information in this memory block is corrupted or unreadable, it throws this code. This is a generic code for OBD2 vehicles, but we tend to see it pop up a lot in Ford and Nissan models. Symptoms can be pretty aggressive here. You might just have a check engine light, but often you will experience stalling, a refusal to start, or other warning lights lighting up your dashboard like a Christmas tree. One common cause for this is actually aftermarket performance chips or programmers. If you have tuned your car recently, that might be why the computer is confused. So, how do we fix a brain issue? Step 1 is checking for software updates. Sometimes, the manufacturer releases a fix, and all you need is to have the dealer flash or update the computer's software. You will need to check Technical Service Bulletins for your specific make and model to see if this applies to you. If there are no updates, you need to check the basics. Make sure the computer is getting good voltage and has a solid ground connection. Corroded wires can cause low voltage, which makes electronics act weird. If the wiring is perfect and there are no software updates, you are likely looking at a failed PCM. Now, I have to be honest with you. Replacing the computer is usually not a plug-and-play job for the average DI mechanic. Most modern cars require the new computer to be programmed with your vehicle identification number and matched to your anti-theft system keys. If you just swap it out, the car probably will not start. So, for this code, if a software update does not fix it, you might need to visit a shop that has the specific programming tools to install a new brain in your car.